Hello YouTube, this is Dar from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Tuesday morning. And welcome back to my channel. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I was on hiatus because I had every technical problem that you can think could go wrong went wrong. But still been around, hanging with my crafter buddies, still crafting. And so my videos will be going up as they go up. They may or may not be in order. Some of the hauls and stuff, so just know that I try to post everything on my Instagram, especially during the time when I was having problems with my computer. And that is DaretoBeCreative 1. I always check me out there. I usually get my pictures up there quicker, way quicker than I get my videos up. So anyway, just wanted to show you what I did get from Tuesday morning. And this is basically snow and cocoa. So I'm going to show you what I didn't get that was snow and cocoa. And this was another Jane Hetfield chipboard, sticker piece, 43 piece. And it is Patio Party, which I do have the 12x12 or 6x6 one of them, and it's 213-7479. So you can kind of check those out. And sorry about the dreary weather. It's raining outside, so hopefully it won't be too unclear to see. They had these two stamp sets of $2.49, great price. And I think these typically, I see these, the Happy Planner stamp sets, like $7.99 or $9.99, $7.99, yeah. So even with 50% off, this is cheaper. So the first one that I got, 218-4108, and it's called Big Loving. And so you can see these are things that I guess you will love. Like it says love, laughter, and smiles, weekend, so fun, happy day, favorite, love them, weekend vibes, you know, a date one. You know, who, what, when, so you can answer questions. Then you got your, you know, your little dad stamps like today, documented, hello, favorite, perfect, happiness, fun day, the best, smile, where. So just things like that. So nice planner, or just use those other tags and different things like that. Then this one is meal planning. I thought this would be really good for myself and days of the week. I used to do this years ago when my kids were younger, and I was raising 2 other kids plus my kids. I had to do this, and they had so many activities. And then now that I really don't have to be responsible for anybody, I'm not as not as good with that. So I thought maybe this might help me, inspire me to get back on track. 218-4106. So you got eat out, take out, eat in, popcorn, pizza, ice cream, French fries, birthday cakes, drinks, breakfast date, dinner date, lunch date, brunch, what's cooking. So leftovers, whether you use it in your planner or tag or something else, you can still use those. So I happened to be there with my girl Lisa. This little scrappy was there, and she just put all this stuff out. And this is, they had some other stuff too. They had the trees, the frosted trees. They had the tassels and some other stuff. I didn't get all that because I already had some of them I didn't want. But the washi was $3.99, 215-6995. You can see that. Puffy stickers for $1.99, 215-6988, 36 piece. I'm not looking for all the snow in the winter. We don't get as much snow as a lot of other places, but I just don't like it. I like it on a postcard when I can stay in the house. I don't like it if I gotta travel. So here's some more of the stamp sets. And I think it was 2 other ones that I did not get. They're all $2.99. So this is set number 1, 216-7004. Set number 2, 215-7005. Let me make sure. Okay, dropping stuff. This is number 3, 215-7006. And then this is 4, 215-7007. And this is 6, 215-7009. I love all the little sentiments. And I didn't even try to put them in order. Here's the ephemera, 215-6990. That's 40 pieces for $249. So you can kind of see those right there in the colors. And then I did get the 6x6 pad, 36 sheet, 215-6985 for $299. Those are the papers. Oh, I'm just not getting ready for this winter. Ugh. I don't like cold air. But I will do what I gotta do. So anyway, that's the haul from there. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.